Good afternoon. I am doing a very quick home vlog from home, obviously, while I am working, because today is my work day. So I'm going to quickly do a couple things. One, I want to thank my sister for coming out and enjoying some time with me and her fiance and Belle. Obviously we had a great time going on hikes with her, and she bought me this great little chair, this little rocking chair that I can sit in while I'm working. I was in the process of straightening my beard so I can trim it and forgot to charge my beard comb. So I have this portion of my beard that is straight and everything else is crazy. So yeah, I have to wait now for a bit. So yeah, that was fun. That was lots of fun. Anyway, hopefully I will be able to get this straightened, and once I do, I will show you my cutting experience. But yeah, it's interesting. Alright, so I finally got my brush charged and was able to get my beard straightened. So here's what it looks like before. It's nice and straightened. So it's all the way down to here. Let's see if I can do this. So there's my beard. So I am thinking of taking it probably maybe an inch off. Maybe keeping this up here a little bit longer, but having a nice, like, something like that. I don't know. But that's what I'm thinking of doing. Or maybe just a little off, just to kind of give it some more definition. So with that, I am going to show you, scary, that I'm going to cut my beard. Not off, but just trimmed. So let's go. Okay. Oh, so I'm here, and I'm going to be using my clippers to trim my beard. So, masters of all beards, if you trim your own beard, let me know what you do and how to trim yours, how you trim yours. So that way I have some extra tips and concerns. So I'm probably going to be going back and forth. So hopefully that doesn't bother much of you. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here is my new look. What do you think? Did I do an okay job doing this on my own? Or do I need to go to a barber shop? I don't know. Let me know. Let me know what you think. I think I did a pretty good job by myself, doing it by myself. So, because I really want to try to shape it and grow it down this way. But yeah, and I kind of did a little fade, a very small fade up here. And then, as you could tell, I was kind of trimming off some of the hairs that were sticking out up here. So what do you think? Do you like it? I kind of do. You know, for my first time trimming my beard myself. But yeah, let me know. Let me know what you think. Do I need to do something different? Should I do something different besides shave it? Because I don't think I'll shave it unless I have a job that requires me to shave it. But yeah, let me know below. Make sure to, let's see, I think it's on this side. Make sure to subscribe, look at my other videos, and with that, I am off. And you guys have a fantastic day.